Hi judges, I am from team Sneaky Coders. So now I am going to explain the whole workflow that we have done with the project, that is the problem statement 21. That is nothing but intelligent auto coding assistant for programming skill development. Now I am going to explain the whole workflow, that how we have built this project and how it will help to each and every user whoever want to do the code. Okay. So at first, whenever a user enter in our website, then this page will be open in front of each and every user. So for each and every user have to log in with their account. Okay, if they click on the try problems, create blocks or anything in the login or sign in your account, then it will directly open a page that is nothing but a login page. So here they can easily give their email and password and they can easily log in into their profile. If they do not have any account, then they can easily register themselves by clicking on this register, and here they have to give the username, email, password and confirm password. After clicking on the create account, a verification link will be sent to the email of that user, and after clicking the verification link, then the account will be created for that user. So I have already created a account by using this registration process. So so I will directly click on the back to login, and I will log in myself with my account. Okay, so I have given the mail id here. Now I will give the password. The password is 123456. Then I will click on the login. Then this new interface or this new page will be open for the user. So from here the topics can be selected, means whatever they want. If they want to do the program in arrays, they can click on the arrays, they can click on the binary search, anything. If they want to see all the question, then they can easily click on the all topics, and all the question will be available in this portion. Now if anyone click on any of these questions, so I am clicking on this median to sorted arrays, then this will be open for that user. Here the question will be shown, the question, and this is the example, and here it will show that how it is, means this is hard, medium or easy. This will show here. Okay, now here in this portion a user can easily do the code, and these are the buttons we have made for the AI analyzing. By writing a code in this portion, I will also show how the output and test case will be work, and I will also show this analyze code and ask. Let's write a code here. So I shall write the code in Python. I will do this code only, but I will write the code in Python. Okay. So now I am writing the code here. I will close this and I will write the code here. Okay. So this is basically the whole code, and I have written in Python. Okay. Now if I click on this analyze code, then it will analyze the code, means it will check the code quality. This analyze code is basically used for checking the code quality. Now if I click on this analyze code, then here this type of thing will be pop up in the question only, like written as intelligent assistant, and here it is written as analyzing your code, means it will give the code quality analysis. This analyze code is basically help to check the code quality analysis. Now let's see what the result comes. See, this is the code quality analysis. Now here the whole thing, whatever is given here, is basically analyzing the code, that whether the code is good or not, or how the code can be done in lowest time complexity, or how the code can be done in simplest way. Everything is written here. Everything has been explained also by using the code snippets, that what the coder has been written and what it can be done perfectly by changing this. Everything is written here. So it is basically help, means this is basically the analyze code. Now if I cross this, if I cut this, then if I want to explain this part, the Ask AI, this is another AI model. This is basically help for for the personalized recommendation system. So now I want to explain this part, that is the Ask AI. If I click on this Ask AI, then it will ask a question that do you want to add a specific prompt. Now here it is basically we have built it as an interactive AI model, where a user can literally talk with the AI model, that how they can do the code or anything. So if I click on yes, this type of thing will be open, where we can literally type a question. If I write that explain this question, and if I click on send prompt, then this prompt will be sent to the AI and it will generate the answer and it will be give in this system. So this is work like this. So this Ask AI is basically an interactive model which help for the interaction with the computer or with the AI with the user, so they can easily interact with the AI and can get the help for doing the code. So this is the result. This is explaining the whole question thoroughly, that how they can do the code or what are the steps need to be done. It is not giving the whole code. If the AI gives the whole code, then what the user will do, right? So it will give a small snippets of code, that by explaining it, that why this is need, why this one is need, why what we have to give for doing the code, everything will be explained by this. Now if we cross this and click on this Ask AI, if we click on the not just no just guide me, then our LLM has already written where the code, where the question means this question, this code snippets, if output is present, the outputs will be sent to the AI and it will give the result according to the input whatever is given. Like this will work. Now if I click on this run button, it will basically give the output as well as the test cases, that whether it is passed or fail. Now this is the output. Now let's check the test cases. So this is the test cases. Now see, these are the test cases has been passed, this one also, this one also. So like this, a user can easily do the code, easily get help from the AI, analyze their code as well as interact with the AI. And in the same way, they can also check the past history by clicking on this profile. If they click on this profile, then they can see, yes, how many problems are solved, then solved problems, what are the problems have been solved. Okay, my name, my email, my rank score, everything will be shown here. The code history means the code history will be shown here. Okay, so this all, so after clicking on this dashboard, we can return back to this thing, to this page. So okay, so this is all about our project, that is the problem statement 21. Thank you.